I'm making this video for Arham because Arham said that he need to do a project with a like habitat and the animals. So we have to create a project for Arham. So how do we have to do that? At first, we have a start screen. For that, we have to prepare design and let's get this. So this is an app lab and we have to select a theme. Here we can get a theme from that. So I think let's get that one. And after that, I have to click on this. Okay, or just get a start button. Okay, like that. And after that we have to put an image so it will look a little good. So this is an image component. Drag it from the corner bottom to make it a little bigger. Just be there and animals cartoon, like that. I'm gonna write like that and go to the images. And after going in the images, you can just get, oh, I like this one. Let me just save an image of this and cartoon. After that, what I have to do, I have to upload it over here. Right, let's click on choose and upload the file. Cartoon, choose, and it looks something like this. And if you wanted to make it a little bit bigger, you can fill it if you want to do that, or cover, whatever fits well. And after that, what we have to do next, we have to get another screen. Pick this screen and put it over here so you can make another screen. Here you can see that screen number 2 is there. Okay. Afterwards, what we have to do is we have to get images of different animals, like maybe camel. I'm gonna get a camel cartoon. Okay. And oh, I like this one, or this one. I think I like this one more. So let's get that camel. And here the background is pretty good as well. So I think I'm gonna use this one as a habitat, and for only camel I'm gonna use this picture. Okay, so I'm gonna write camel only, and I have to remove the background, so I have to be here on the Google and I'll just take the image. So for only camel I'm removing the background so it will not look weird. So here, now just be there, upload the image. I got two images. I'm gonna upload two images. One, this one without the background, and other one is the habitat one, right? This one. And okay, so when we click on this image, we'll go to the screen number 3. Let's make a screen number 3, and then the habitat of the particular animal would be displayed. Okay, so for that I'm going to tell you what you have to do, and a back button as well is there. So let's write back on this button, because whenever we click on the back button we'll be on the screen number 2. Perfect. So let's take another image of maybe sheep. So sheep cartoon, I'm gonna write that. And oh, cute. Here, I think this one. I'm gonna remove the background of this sheep, and I'm gonna write habitat there. And oh, this one looks good. So I'm gonna display this one image for the habitat. Sheep H. Okay. Now let's just be here. Click on this plus sign at the bottom. Did you saw that where I clicked this one, this plus sign? So if you want to add more images, we can just click on the plus sign and upload this image. And for the habitat, the image is not in the right extension, so I have to get another image for the habitat. So I think this one is cool as well. So let me just get that sheep H2 like that. Now let's see if I'm getting this one. Once this one is done, then I'll be good to go. Till it's getting done, I can just go back over here and let's take an image component. Here we're going to apply sheep, and on the same screen 3 we're going to display the habitat of the sheep. So let's work on that. First of all, be on the screen number 1. We have to make this button work. So let's see what is the ID of this button. The ID is button 1. So let's select when button 1 is clicked. Then what's going to happen over there is shift up the screen. We have to be on the screen number, which one? Screen number 2. So that's why we have to set screen number 2. After that, what we have to do next is we have to take another event. Why do we have to take another event? Look at that. So when we click on this image, the camel. It's image 2, so let's just select this one, image 2. So when we click on that, what's going to happen over there? Hmm, Tell me. It's going to be on the screen number 3 first. Thing is that, let me show you how does it look like. Let me run the program, start, and here. But I want to see the image of the camel habitat. But how I'm going to see that? I have to take a set image URL, grab it and place it over here, and select the ID of the image section on the screen number 3. It's image number 3. And then let's click on this plus, choose, and oh, this one is the image that we want to get. Okay, let's see if it's working. Ta-da, ta-da, and ta-da. So let's work on this back button now. I have to go to the design. Let's be here, screen number 3. Back button is button number 2. Let's be here, get an event, because whenever we want to perform something like when clicked or something, when this button is clicked, then perform something. So that was button number 2. Set screen. Which screen do we have to be on? What is the ID of the screen? It's screen number 2. So let's select screen number 2 and let's see if it works. Ta-da, and back. Okay, now we have to work on the sheep. Let's see if it's done. No, it's not done. So let's upload that again. Okay, and let's do this one again. Let's URL to control R so it will reload. Okay, yeah, it's done. Let me upload this over here, reset, go to the design, go to the screen number 2, and ta-da, there. Let's upload the image here. Afterwards, here, this is the image, and yeah. We have to do the similar thing, but this time, which is the image number 4. Get the event for the image number 4, which is a sheep, and be on the same screen, screen number 3. But we have to set a different picture this time, like with a set image URL. So, where is set image URL? Here. And it's same thing, image number 3. It's literally the same thing. Then afterwards, what we have to do? We have to upload an image. So the image is this one. So let's see if it works. Okay, let's click on camel. Look at that. So what's happening there is image is changing according to the clicking picture. If we click on the camel habitat is there. If we click on the sheep habitat is there. It works like that. So this is how we make it work. Or if you want to make this picture pop up here on the screen, that's possible as well. So how is that possible? One second, let me tell you. If you don't want to go there on that screen, so that's okay as well. You can just put an image component over here at the top and make it a bigger one, a really big one, which will cover whole thing. And then in the properties at the bottom, hide that like this, hidden. Make it hidden. So once you click on the camel, then it's gonna be visible. Okay, so what is the idea of this one? It's image number 5. So let's select image number 5 and let's be there. I'm just removing screen number 3 so we will not go there. Okay, once we click on that, one second. Okay, set image URL. Okay, that one, image number 5, and it's not coming up because, do you know why? Because we have to show the element as well. First we have to show the element image 5 because it was hidden. Show element again. Yep. Where is it? Image number 5. Let's see. There. Look at that. And if I click on the sheep, it's not coming up because it works only one time. Okay. So now what we have to do, we can do one more thing. We can use a set timed out. So after set timed out, what's going to happen over there is, look at that. Let's take a hide element. Hide, hide, hide. Where is hide? Can you see that? Hide element. Let's place it over here. image number 5, and let's work on that. It's the camel that we have to work on. Did you saw that? It just popped up and it's going away. You can do the same thing on the sheep as well. Let me just copy this one. Be over here. Wherever the black blinking line is there, so you can copy that one, and yeah, let's see. After 1 second, because this 1000 is in milliseconds and 1000 milliseconds is 1 second, right? It's working like this. So thank you so much. I hope everything is clear. If you have any sort of question, just connect with me. Bye bye.